Abomoko there.
Oh, Adom.
But introduction, was it in order?
Apostolic Empowerment Ministry.
Okay.
Me church ni na mesa etonam.
Okay.
And then Adom odumabeka multimedia adwumako.
Yes.
Nti.
Yes.
Nyamia as bien fasa kwenya wesunso na Ghana Post penyipa na me se okọ social media or sa page EMS mu. Na ode share this Valentine's Day EMS expedited mail service eba na nyenye
yeah
but on the Ghana adwuma bia na ya na akọje nsem na abudichi nti by so say kufo dodo na frɛ obo Ghana Post penyipa wo odi otimi ye ti ni mi se we abase no obekenye mu amanoma bebre atimi aba amansa kyerɛ yenso kɛse pa atimi aba ye page adwuma mu so no ne yehwe wona ema adwuma no pagya ade ba kwa ye moye homodin wo man mu so no abiribi ada no se adwuma ekoso a emu nipa na ema adwuma no ekoso no na ye gya omotu akire thinking of the welfare of adwuma ni no so ye key to the progress and development of adwuma bia. You know, it's like Ghana pretends to be paying us. We also pretend to be paying.
To Facebook. Introduction I'm here, no, CJ. And Omanhene is also a former host of Ecosystem. Ecosystem, me tempera. They be other me I stand in the gap of main host. Yeah. Until me dana see anyway. Until me kase. Yeah, shana no so. Adwuma for welfare so and they akoma so adwuma for welfare na dey ni abegina utag for ne fair wages ne labor commission etiatia wonetine eno say maka say minimisa aban ne the needed stakeholders in na obia hare ne ho say enioma be normalize but every day in and out no enioma get out of hand say oh yeah ofo a baby I fall into this trap abon say oda untimi na nti ye be koso asre utag mpanyfo na yasre labor commission fair wages say mama intimi AC pontem ko ya trabo so mi amanyo ma enwonwunan ya yetua hostel ka ma ye offer nem ye nananom ne ye ma ne adehye no eji egu anisa nkwada no so kura so the probability say omonkoya ade bi mane nyansunsuan so o madisuan so no very high. You take for demand of say be sure market your Nsem plus other matters no yen hwe na yen fa yi into ayi eno nkyere sebe ese say obi take obi by so obi asaka bibi na dia na won mama ntimi kama asem this is great George the champion say Kwabene Asante oye nankwase ni
ana okoka bucha me da if I would do kuma say da kwase ni me do ma say anyway ntimi se omo hwe na sa anyo man ntimi mu na enye peyo na afi ene adaje nso ni eno adamete se ashama ana domi eye crossing ana eye ashalebutwe eye lorry first no nsensem no me won se dede bi ntokwa bibire ba na me charge no sector minister ne GRTCC ne GPRT fo akohia na omuguso omudi nkomo ya wada enti ene so mbesa akohia mesre de because am mesre se obia ni ho a obetimi aka se sebe a driver for ana shenka for no oni ho kwan so omoto omo ahyentuade nim nemum de kan se obia ni ho kwan misisu biem obia ni ho kwan enso se obetimi ono ani pem no ono the percentage of ebeden ebeto so se de bi ne mo ka 30% as woni abe sare ti amra enti eno so ho asotwe ewo one of the challenges are we continue to have as on mind they be adamican our level of indiscipline and impunity. So what I say I said yeah obia live a very adonke life you know they be abnormalities be normal in this country over time ya shama abnormalities are be normal and it's very worrying. Inti mesre se ashenkafo ne union driver for ku ahodo ene GRTCC ene GPRTU ne sector minister kwakwasi ama transport ministry omo hwe no mo no pontem na sa ho ka he twi ni nyina no enye eyiman ne kwakwa no de bia de be koso obodawuru yesre there's too much indiscipline in this country too much indiscipline aji mo bebia obefa bia no a driver ni o ka hye na wagina kwan finfin na olodu baby a obefa bia no enoma bisi basa na ekoso but if we continue de bia da meka eye ni omadada no with the expectation that there's going to be a change that change
is never coming. And that change now open, it starts with you, right with you. Tigana ni bia utie bia ya say change from kubi free baby ba no na obi na say all this change ni ba no there be sa in such na na say such na open no if you wan kasa ho na be chance ebe de ebe ba mesre say momu yan chichiri Ghana na Ghana enye kra behwe na yenyi adidi atem ene ehunhuna ene nyoma Nsem fatansu free akwam CJ mi no mi de bia da me de sorry de me kai say you have a bigger major responsibility to ensure say akwanya na onyamedia mai say yen kasa mani padodo na nti no ye de no kredi akokudru pepe yo enye didi atem ebedi djuma ama Ghana nya mfasode ama multimedia nya mfasode ama woso adwuma wo ye no watimi enya ho animonyama esefata bebesia na mada obi bia ase ene Newmont for because bobo nkaye Newmont ntimi mfa ahafo Newmont ahafo muntimi mfa ye ahafofo no emmo ye nwa to that's a conversation you be have na me hu say me bo eye era eye Samuel Abujinapo me bo na baso body any come on nko in the ministry there should be minim say other agencies no so eye investigation uni bia utu sa na mo ama Ghana nyina ye twadwo e wa piate ho komo no you be held responsible because over time people have not been held responsible and any problem so